What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. You know something that I really like? I really enjoy when a project, a crypto project, has popularity and does something good with it, does something that means a lot to this world, to the people that are investing into it. And there's a bigger message than just, hey, let's make money from this meme coin. Now, while that is always a good thing to see an investment as, a potential to make a good amount of money, but also understand that there's a big message behind it as you do make a little bit of money from it. So, I want to talk about something that came across my desk, Punch. Punch is a project that they're looking to do a lot of charity and a lot of work for the world. It is a Solana-based meme coin that it's all following a monkey, a plushie, a movement, right? That's way bigger than you and me. So if you guys could make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to get this message out to more people, make sure you like away, and I'm sure the message will continue to grow as the video gets more viewership, and obviously the website and the position gets more viewership. But Punch is definitely interesting to me because it's doing charity work with something that many people would, look at and go, "Oh, this is just a meme coin. Don't pay attention to it, or don't look at it as any type of utility." This does something for the actual world. This does something for, charities involved. So what is Punch? Punch is on Solana. It's a monkey, a plushie, a movement. What began as a rescue for a baby macaque and his beloved plushie has grown into a movement on Solana. Inspired by Punch's journey of survival, our community is carrying his story forward through resilience, hope, and real world impact. Now, as you scroll down here, you're going to see the price, you're going to see the story of it. Which you will go into, but the current price of it is around 0.000842, and we'll go more into that price. Full circulation, or for full circulating market cap, you're looking at an $841,000 market cap. Here is the contract address as well. So community donations supporting Punch and Ichikawa Zoo, 17,000 $100 raised so far. So we are early in this and seeing some price movement that you can honestly make a decent amount of money as an investor with it. So let's meet Punch. A sweet little monkey who lives at the Ichikawa Zoo in Japan. He's not just any monkey. He's famous for his unbreakable bond and his plushy friend. Punch carries his plushie everywhere, eating, sleeping, playing, and they're inseparable. Their story has touched hearts worldwide, becoming a symbol of pure friendship and comfort. Now, Punch has his own corner on Solana with Punch, a community token celebrating kindness, friendship, and the simple joys that bring us together. This is something that really, speaks to many people, right? You see, one, understanding survival and understanding that not only people go through these difficulties and have something that kind of pushes them through or pulls them through. You have animals that do go through these difficulties and they find comfort in a plushie. They find comfort in something and stick to that and know that that feels like home, right? It's a bigger story than you, it's a bigger story than me, but sometimes it can feel like it's just like your story. When I was a kid, I went through tough times and I found that comfort in toys. I found that comfort in sports. I found that comfort in anything that I could kind of take my mind away from the fact that I was struggling, the fact that I had a difficult life, a difficult upbringing, and not really having places to sleep or meals to eat for days, and it was tough, but I had that comfort. And to see that you can have this comfort, or see that, he has this comfort, this is what means a lot and really does touch me. And I feel some type of way as I get into this. But let's get back into the position itself. It has 24,000 holders. We'll go into CoinMarketCap in a little bit. 0.00084 and an $842,000 market cap, with $19,000 worth of volume. If we look at more of the history, we're going to see, yes, this was and is around since February of 2026. And while you do look at this and go, okay, this has fallen down, we've seen a little bit of increase from there, from the end of February to the middle of March, and then a decrease again. Understand that the entire market is also down. So you're still seeing volume that's flowing through it. It's not the most positive volume that's flowing through everything in the market. But what's good is that a lot of people may see this as maybe something that's falling and maybe they don't want to touch, but I generally see things that fall that have a lower price as an opportunity. It was here, it is here. It was here, it is here. So the opportunity could be massive depending on how big this movement, how big the actual message for Punch is and goes. So when you're looking at this and you go, all right, what is the highest price and what's the lowest price? First of all, you look at this here. Let me go ahead and accept these cookies. You look at the highest price and you're looking at a 4 cent, 5 cent price. The lowest price is where it stands at a, or close to where it stands at a 0.0007 level. It's currently at a 0.0008 level. So you're looking at 8% of a penny when this had the ability to be up in that 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent mark. And the good thing about it, as I look at it as an investment, you see all of the circulating supply that is out there with 24,000 holders. It's something that you can look at and go, all right, where can we go from here? Like, how far can we grow? Is there any dilution? There's none, right? You have XT.com, Buy Finance or Bitfinance, however you say that, because I've never seen it. Polynex. You have the ability to buy on the Solana chain as well, if you guys wanted to. But let's go into a little bit more here, not just looking into that, but we have the Punch meme vault with different images and memes that happen for it. If you guys wanted to buy, there's 4 steps, 5 minutes. Get a wallet, download Phantom or your preferred Solana wallet. Get Solana, buy Solana on any exchange and transfer to your wallet. Swap for Punch. Use a DEX to swap for Solana for Punch. And welcome to the sanctuary. You are now part of the Punch community. Let's keep scrolling down here. And we're going to go into looking at the different pieces of it, right? You have the sanctuary, Punch's home, the story behind the world famous or the world's most beloved monkey. Our mission, Punch's home, and our community. We built a community around a monkey who refused to give up and turned that story into something that gives back. Punch's home. Punch lives in a Ichikawa Zoo in Japan, where he's cared for with the love and his beloved plushie. Our community, a growing family of Punch's lovers, united by kindness, friendship, and a shared love for our furry friend. They do have some things that they're going with when it comes to charities and quests and things that they have, right? So they have the hang in there around the world. They have 2 campaigns going on. You have the Tokyo pilgrimage, which is more of an investor side of it. You hold a minimum of 30,000 Punch to maintain the balance through May 21st, 2026, which already has happened. And you get a business flight, 5 nights in Tokyo, Ichikawa Zoo visit, spending stipend, private keeper tour, all of that stuff there. I'm excited to see. So the winner of the pilgrimage tour is sitting here. So it should be interesting. I wonder if you're going to have any like videos or images or something like that. That would be pretty cool. But then they have the campaign number 2, Hang in There campaign, which Punch Let's go ahead and look at this. So Punch knows what it's like to just keep holding on. So we're sending that message around the world. 6 creators across 4 countries over 4 weeks, hanging out or handing out 60 plushies, 10 per creator, as little reminders to hang in there. So 4 countries, 6 creators, 4 weeks, 40 out of 60 plushies that have been donated there. Um, Wherever the journey takes us, the message stays the same. Hang in there. 10 plushies, every creator, one little fist raise against the hard days. And again, as someone that has gone through hard days and knows that some people have it worse. And you know, that's something that can push you through it and understand that you do have a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. You do have more light at the end of the tunnel as you look at it. Some people, some animals, anybody could have it worse than you, and you want to make sure you're there to support them. I went multiple days without meals. I went summers where feeling like I missed meals or had to go to someone's house to make sure I can eat for that day or for that week. And it was tough, right? It's very, very tough. But to know that I had the basic thing of a roof over my head, sometimes I can go without a meal, right? Sometimes I didn't have a roof over my head and I did have a meal. I lost one, gained the other. And this is just that message to say, hang in there. Different countries, different people are struggling. We all go through some sort of struggle in our life. Somebody's struggle is a little bit difficult or a little bit more difficult than the next. So know that they're doing things, they're doing charity, they're doing work. That's what I like to see. Not just a meme coin, but a message, but a campaign, but something that means more to every person that invests into it. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you guys look at the links down below. I will have my link down below, as well as all the information that you guys can get about the investment itself, because I know this is an investment channel. It's about the investment. It's about doing things with that investment. So if you guys could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hang in there.